Hello friends, myself Jadov Suvarna from KK Wag Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Bhausaheb Nagar. My subject is organic chemistry. Today I will explain strength of organic acids and bases. An organic acid is an organic compound with acidic properties. The most common organic acids are the carboxylic acids, whose acidity is associated with their carboxyl group COOH. The relative stability of the conjugate base of the acid determine its acidity. An organic base is an organic compound which act as a base. Organic bases are usually but not always proton acceptors. They usually contain nitrogen atoms which can easily be protonated. For example, amines have a lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom and can thus act as a proton acceptors. According to Arrhenius, acids are the substances that produces hydrogen ion when they dissolve in water. Because acids produces ion in water, they are also electrolyte. Bases are the substance that produces OH minus ion when they dissolve in water. Then next, phenolate ion resonance. Phenol, which on dissociation that gives the phenoxide ion. There are five structure resonating structure are given in this, more structure but not a better than acetate. Non-equivalent structure charge on a carbon and oxygen atom. Then another example is, which molecule is the strongest acid, ethanol or acetic acid? For example, ethanol, the pKa value of ethanol is 10 raised to minus 16, and then pKa value of acetic acid is 10 raised to minus 47. In acetic acid is the strongest acid than ethanol, because in acetic acid there is presence of resonance and inductive effect. Due to this reason, acetic acid is strongest acid than ethanol. Resonance effect. Increasing the quality of resonance, there are many structure and the pKa value are given in this page. Resonance. Delocalization of the negative charge on the conjugate base will stabilize the anion, so the substance is a stronger acid. More resonance structure usually mean greater stabilization. For example, ethanol, then acetic acid, and then sulfonic acid. Size. As size increases, the hydrogen is more loosely held and the bond is easier to break. A larger size also stabilizes the anion. Then the acidity is increases from HF to HI. HF is less than HCl, is less than HBr, is less than HI. In acidity, hydrogen iodide is the strongest acid than hydrogen fluoride. Then stability. The increasing the order of stability is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Then iodine is more stable compound than fluorine. When comparing two acids in the same group, placing the negative charge on a larger atom in the conjugate base leads to a stronger acid. Then another example is, predict whether trifluoroacetic acid will be a stronger or weaker acid than acetic acid. Then in acetic acid, After dissociation of acetic acid, then the formation of acetate ion plus H plus. Then the pKa value of acetic acid is 10 raised to minus 4.74. Then trifluoroacetic acid after dissociation gives fluoroacetate ion plus H plus ion, and then pK value of a trifluoroacetic acid is 10 raised to minus 0.23. In these two structures, trifluoroacetic acid is more acetic acid than simple acetic acid, or more acidic than acetic acid, because fluorine is more electronegative than hydrogen atom. In trifluoroacetic acid, there is a presence of 3 fluorine atom. It is a negative. But in acetic acid, there is a presence of only hydrogen atom, and this hydrogen atom which does not contain the negative character or less negative character. Then, due to this reason, in trifluoroacetic acid is more acid because fluorine is more electronegative than hydrogen, then anion is more stable. Effect of electronegativity: increasing the electronegativity. There are many compounds which sequence wise electronegativity are considered. For example, methane, ammonia, water molecule, hydrogen fluoride, then alkyl, alkylamine, alcohol, ketone, amide, and acids. Electronegativity: as the hydrogen become more polarized, hydrogen become more positive and the bond is easier to break. Then electronegativity. Electronegativity is increases from carbon to fluorine. Carbon is less electronegative than fluorine, and the negativity of fluorine is more than oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon. Then stability. Fluorine is more stable than simple alkane, amine, and alcohol. Then the acidity. Also, hydrogen fluoride is more acidic than simple alkane, amine, alcohol. Basicity. Then basicity is a decreases. Then fluorine is a less base than CH3, and CH3 it is a strongest base. pKa for acids. The pKa value is one method used to indicate the strength of an acid. pKa is the negative log of the acid dissociation constant or Ka value. A lower pK value indicate a strongest acid. That is, the lower value indicates the acid more fully dissociated in water. pKb for base. pKb is the negative base of 10 logarithm of the base dissociation constant Kb or a solution. It is used to determine the strength of a base or alkaline solution. pKb is equal to minus log base 10 Kb. A large Kb value indicates the high level of dissociation of a strong base. A lower pKb value indicates a stronger base. pKa and pKb are related by the simple relation pKa plus pKb is equal to 14. HOX in aqueous, that gives H aqueous plus OX minus aqueous. As the electronegativity of X increases, the distribution of electron density within the molecule changes. The electrons are drawn more strongly toward the halogen atom and in turn away from the hydrogen in OH bond, thus weakening the OH bond and allowing dissociation of hydrogen as H+. Acidity increases with increase in oxygen atom because oxygen is the second most electronegative element. Adding terminal oxygen atom causes electron to be drawn away from the OH bond, making it weaker and thereby increasing the strength of acid.